Hi, welcome to Pipeline. I'm Alex, and today I'm going to show you how to unbox your brand new Coil Winder 2.0. So here's our unboxed coil winder. First thing you want to do is remove the packaging inserts. You need a 4mm hex driver, and just give it a quarter turn, and these come right off. Same over here on this side. We have a cleat here. Just a quick turn, and the quarter turn nuts allow you to remove it easily. Followed by this component which holds the chucks stationary. Once those are off, you can just remove the foam from the ends of the machine. Discard. And here's the machine ready to accept the accessories. This is the main accessory box that has the console, power adapter, and cables that you need to run your machine. Okay, so here is our console, our microscope mast, screws, our DB9 cable, and our single filer Steger spool holder. This also comes in 4 and 8 filer. The mast holder goes right in the center of the carriage using these 2 threaded holes. Next, we can install our Steger adapter using the remaining 3 screws. It goes right here with these other threaded holes. Next, let's plug in the console. You'll notice the DB9 connector in the back. Just plug in the cable and secure it with the threaded screws here. Last but not least is our power adapter. There's a 5mm barrel jack that goes on the back of the machine, and the power cord goes right here. With the machine, you're going to get several mandrel supports ranging from 0.5mm to 6mm. There are 2 sides on the payout block to install it. You could either lead the coil or install the support after the coil. Our carriage is now assembled, and we're ready for our microscope. Now, the microscope comes in 2 variations, either angle pilot or a basic video mic. If you ordered your machine with an angle pilot, this is what you get. A short DB9 connector, a mounting plate and some hardware, USB flash drive, and the angle pilot. We'll start by adding the mounting bracket to the angle pilot. There are 2 long screws. These go at the bottom of the unit. And then 2 shortened button head screws that go here. Use a 3mm hex driver to secure these screws. Now we'll use a 4mm hex to mount the angle pilot to the bracket. The lower screw on the bracket is round, and the upper one is curved for some tilt adjustability. I like to start with the lower one, and that will thread into this double T-nut inside the microscope mast. There's 1. Here's 2. Now you can see the tilt adjustability that I mentioned earlier. We'll just set it anywhere for now. Next, don't forget the flash drive. It goes on the side of the machine here with our label facing down. Now we need to power it with the included short DB9 cable. Just like the console, one end plugs into the back of the unit and threads on for securement, and the other end right here into the carriage. You can tuck the cable into the back of the T-slot for a cleaner look too. That's all it takes to set up your coil winder. For more information, please visit PipeLineTools.com. Thank you for watching.